Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. The third eclipse of the year 2020 will be observed on 21st June. This is the second eclipse of the month, but this eclipse that is on the 21st June will be an annular solar eclipse and it will be visible in India, most of the countries in Asia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia, Congo, and Nepal. The starting time of this solar eclipse is at 9:56 a.m. in the morning of 21st June and it will last till 2:28 p.m. in the afternoon. The middle of this solar eclipse will be at 11:30 a.m. and its mox time will be at 1:20 p.m. The Sutak Kala of this solar eclipse will start at the night of 20th June at 9:16 p.m. in the night. Friends, eclipse has its own importance in terms of pregnancy. It is as per the Hindu mythology. Various things and various measures pregnant women should take so that their pregnancy is not hampered or the baby in the womb is safe. It is believed that pregnant women should not see the eclipse with the naked eyes. So first thing is this, you have to remain inside your home away from the radiations of solar eclipse because they are considered very harmful for pregnant women. Second thing is that you should not eat anything during the eclipse time. Also, you should not drink anything. So it will be good for you that you do a heavy breakfast before the start of the eclipse so that you do not feel hungry during the duration of the solar eclipse. It is believed that before the start of the Sutak time, you should put tulsi leaf, that is the holy basil leaf, in all the edible things or the drinking items at home so that they can be protected from the harmful radiations of solar eclipse. During the eclipse time, you should smear tulsi leaves paste or the cow dung paste on your stomach. This will help in keeping the harmful radiations away and protect you and your baby in the womb. During eclipse time, as per the Hindu mythology, a pregnant woman should not touch any pointed objects like needle, scissors, knife, etc. It is believed that this brings a bad omen to the baby in the womb. Pregnant woman or anyone should not worship God during this period. Temples at home should be closed at this time. Their door should be shut down. You should not touch any deity or the idol. It is considered to bring bad omen. You should chant mantras like Mahamrityunjay, Lord Shiva mantras, and Gayatri mantra at home while sitting anywhere but not in front of your temple at home. Chanting these mantras during the solar eclipse time keeps the harmful radiations away from you. Before the starting of the eclipse and after the eclipse, a pregnant woman should take bath. It is better that you put some Ganga Jal water in your bathing water so that you can purify your body of the harmful radiations. After taking bath, pregnant women should also sprinkle the holy Ganga Jal water all across the house so as to nullify the harmful effect of the radiations. So friends, these are the things a pregnant woman should do as per the Hindu mythology so that she is also safe and the baby in the womb is also safe during pregnancy. Hope you have liked the video. In case you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get strongly connected with our channel so that you get the notifications as soon as we release a new video. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.